Hey, Joel Vasquez here, the infamous Joel.com. Welcome to Clickbank 101. I'm gonna show you how to create a Clickbank promotion in hopefully under 15 minutes. So we're gonna start getting going right now. You ready? What you want to do is, first and foremost, you pick a niche, okay? You pick a niche. Now, usually the niche that I pick is already tied into what I'm doing with my other business stuff. So I pick e-business and e-marketing, okay? And I sort by gravity. Gravity just means it sells a whole bunch. All right, this is how many affiliates have sold this in the past. I don't know how many days. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go over here. We're going to pick this one. It's the top one. We're going to pick this one. First thing we want to do is go over here and take a look at the sales page. This is the sales page. This is where you're going to be sending people. Okay, right, you can read all through this. You can figure out what this is all about, and you can decide, nah, I want to do this or I don't want to do this. To discover how to generate a regular income direct from YouTube without creating any of your own videos. All right, so that's the pitch, that's the hook, that's what they're trying to get people on. This is what the benefit of the product is. All right, so what we want to do here is we want to go over to ClickFunnels. I have a ClickFunnels account. I don't know what you have, but you want to create some type of an opt-in page. All right, an opt-in page is where they're going to put their email, their name, their whatever, and give you their information. They're going to raise their hand and say, yeah, I'm kind of interested in this. They're going to give you their information. Why is this important? Because 9 times out of 10, people do not buy ever on the first time that they go through, you know, some type of sales pitch. They don't buy, okay? Matter of fact, it's probably more than 9 times out of 10. It's probably 9.9 times out of 10. So you don't want to be doing that. You don't want to send people straight to a sales page and they leave, and then you lose out on a bunch of money because you never talk to them again. You want to have the opt-in. You want to collect their information so you can continue building that relationship. You can continue talking to them. You can continue building up the conversation through email. You know, you can keep on giving them value, keep on talking to them. This is how you generate more sales over time. Let's go over here to build a sales funnel. You're going to see me do it from scratch. New funnel. This is all we need. Collect emails. Okay, I'm kind of doing this fast because I'm going to do this in like 15 minutes. All right, we're going to do this. We're going to call it Clickbank thingy. Okay, we're going to call it Clickbank thingy. I don't even know what it, YouTube domination or something. I forgot what it's called. But you see, very simple. They already know in ClickFunnels, all right, you're looking to collect emails, so all you need is an opt-in and a thank you page. All right, I recommend doing it this way. Now, the opt-in page I'm gonna make is gonna be extremely simple. I'm gonna use one that I've used before. So, thank you page. All right, now actually in this example, this is what I would recommend you do. This one right here, if you can see it, it's like a video. Okay, I would highly recommend you do this. I'm gonna put select template. I'm going to show you exactly what I would do. All right, so somebody clicks your link. Okay, damn, that thing's taking forever to load, but somebody clicks your link. Okay, and the first thing they're taken to is this opt-in page. Okay, I know it looks horrible. It's an old one. We're going to get rid of this logo because we don't need it. We're going to get rid of all this other stuff. All right, I don't even want your first name. I just want your email address. This background is horrible. You can see how much I'm going, how kind of quick I'm going through this. We're going to change the background. The background's not going to be that horrible image. We're just going to do background. We're going to do this one then. All right, that one's a little bit better maybe. I don't know, kind of. All right, now there's other stuff that you need to do in order to do any type of advertising and stuff like that. We're gonna need some type of links because most of the time they'll get rejected, especially by Facebook. I think it's navigation, right? Okay, navigation. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna change this to privacy policy. Right? We need one of those, as Facebook don't play no games. All right, they don't want all this spammy stuff. I actually have the privacy policy link saved on my notepad. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna put it, paste it in there. Bam, there, the privacy policy is done. This is actually not even the right address, but we can fix it another time. It's just for an example, right? So what you would do is same thing here. You would put what do we need? We also need a disclaimer. You know, any advertising platform, they want you to have a disclaimer, right? It's basically a page saying, hey, I'm an affiliate, da 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 da, right? Disclaimer. Oh, that's not. I put it in the link URL. You wanted the link text. Disclaimer. Spelled it wrong. All right. So there's disclaimer, and what's the other one? Order now? No, we don't want order now. We want terms. We want terms and conditions. Okay. Bam. You see across the bottom there, we have privacy policy, disclaimer, terms and conditions. So that meets the requirements of most advertising platforms, Google, Facebook, any of them. They want you to have these 3 pages in order for somebody to link out to. Okay, so have those pages, have a privacy policy, have a disclaimer, have a terms and conditions. There's places that you can go on Google and you can just, you know, type in I need one of these and they'll give you like a template. You don't have to like build one out from scratch. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to go back to the sales page and we want to grab this headline because we're going to use the headline. Okay, we're going to use the headline and we're going to put it right above our opt-in. We're gonna use this headline. Bam, there it is. Okay, theirs is red. I guess we'll make ours red too. Why not, right? We'll make ours red too, just because for congruency's sake. This background is horrible, right? This background of this box is horrible. Background image, let's make it blue. I don't know what are the colors on here. The colors on here are white, and we want to try to match. Okay, we want some kind of congruency. We don't want people to get to the sales page and be confused. We're like, what the hell is this, right? So let's do textures and patterns. Let's do white, I guess, right? No? Okay, that's white. Okay, so we have white, and now it looks a little bit more like the sales page. Now, what we want for the button here, we don't want access free bonus. First of all, we want the button to say something that is congruent. Again, we want the customer's journey to be like, okay, this all makes sense. Discover how to generate a regular income direct from YouTube without creating any of your own videos. We can put like discover now or something like that. You know what I mean? It's discover now. It's like, oh, that makes sense. Discover now. We should have put it all in caps, but that's just me nitpicking. Discover now. And so that tells the person, hey, when I click on this, I'm going to discover this thing that they're talking about. But first they have to put in their email address. Okay, so that's the magic. All right, and Clickbank is capturing that email address, and because it's in the same space as I'm already in, I already do e-business, e-marketing, things like that. So I'm capturing leads. Okay, I'm capturing people that are interested in this in the first, but this is what that person is telling me. They're raising their hand, they're saying, I'm interested in this stuff. So now I can build a relationship later on. All right, so we can set the action to what you want to do, submit order, submit form. That basically tells ClickFunnels that what that means is when somebody clicks on this, it submits the order or the form, meaning that captures their email address. You would go to integrations. Now I have get response. That's my email autoresponder. That's my program that I use. So it sends them to my get response account. It sends the email to my get response account. You can plug this all in with your ClickFunnels. Action is add the campaign. My campaign, I don't have one right now running. So you would select a list of whatever campaign it is. So it would start sending out automatically the emails that you already have laid out automatically. That's why it's an autoresponder. It's already set up automatically. You write out the emails and it starts sending them out when somebody opts in, when somebody clicks on all this stuff. Okay, so it starts building that relationship. So there it is. That's the entire opt-in page, and I would save right here. Now, oh, the other thing you should do, general. You come down to general right here. This tells ClickFunnels where, after they click that button, where do you want to send them to. And you don't want to send them straight here because you don't control any of it. This doesn't get you any money. So what you would want to do is you go over here to promote. Okay, click on promote. That's the thing that we're promoting, right? I want to promote this. This is how easy it is to promote stuff on Clickbank. This is why most people do it. So I have my account nickname right there, and I put generate hop links. Okay, and it gives me a link. It gives me my special link, and I would copy it right here. Bam, I'm copying it. Now I would just paste it here. I paste it there, I press enter, and bam, now it's all saved. So this means that when someone puts in their email address, they click that button, okay, it will now send them over through my affiliate link to the sales page, okay, to the sales page where they can decide if they want to buy or not. 9 times out of 10 they won't, okay, but that's okay. because we can continue to promote, we can continue to talk to them because now we have their email. Okay, we can change the color of the button, we can do a bunch of other design stuff, but I want to go over another little point here. Instead of doing that, instead of sending them directly to a sales page, and I'm not going to go over this one very much, but this is what's called a thank you page or a bridge page, where you can talk a little bit more here. You can still use the same headline. That company that we're representing, they use that headline, discover YouTube, because it works. They've tried it a million times. This is what's making them a lot of sales. So keep using it. You don't have to be a marketing expert. They already have done all the work for you. They spent millions of dollars figuring out if this works or not. Okay, and it works. So you can use the same headline here. What you should do is place a video right here. Okay, place a video right here of you explaining to them, hi, my name is Joel Vasquez. I'm the infamous Joel from the infamousjoel.com, and I want to just talk to you about this how to make YouTube by making no videos and making a lot of money. I tried this same program. You know, I would recommend really trying it so it's more believable. But in my YouTube career, I had these problems with this, and this. And then I tried this program and it really helped me out. I think you should check it out. Click on the button below, and then you can again have your affiliate link as the button, and then they go over to the next page. All right. Now, what most people teaching this will tell you is to come over here to Facebook. I still have the caps lock on. Come over here to Facebook and start running ads. Okay. They'll say, all right, get yourself a Facebook ads account and run ads to this opt-in page, to this campaign that you have running. But for most beginners, that's incredibly expensive because you don't know who your audience is. You don't know what's going to work, what's not going to work, that kind of stuff. So instead, I tell people go over here to Stud Ads, because Stud Ads is a much lesser known advertising platform, and it's way cheaper. I'm talking about you're going to get clicks for like a fraction of a penny. You can build up your audience, your customer list, your email list way cheaper on here, way cheaper, okay? And the beauty of this is this is also a great way for you to start figuring out who your customers are, because this funnel right here, I have my Facebook pixel copied in, I have it pasted in. So that means that anybody who is also logged into Facebook at that same time, who comes through my funnel, they don't have to press a button, they don't have to buy anything. The minute that they hit my funnel, the minute that they go into the opt-in page and see those words and see that page, the minute that they do that, on my Facebook account, it collects their information. Okay, I now know who they are. My Facebook pixel, that line of code there, okay, it collects their information. Where do I get that line of code? That's how I build up my audience. So how would you get your Facebook pixel code? You would go over here to manage ads. Obviously you have to make an ad account. Right now I don't have one. All right, so what you would do is you would click on Events Manager. They changed this around. What the pixel does is collect actions. So it'll tell you who's opting in, who's buying, who's leaving, who are these people, what do they do? So you want to start figuring out who are the buyers. And what you can do later on, as you build up your audience, you start getting more metrics, more people, you can plug that information back into Facebook, and Facebook will actually go and fetch out people who are just like these people, who are just like the buyers, who are just like the people who went through your funnel. And this is how you spend less money on your advertising, and you can start building up your sales, your list, your everything else much better. So a lot of people out there who are teaching Facebook ads and stuff, they tell you to jump right into it. And that's a horrible way to start doing things, because it just is. All right, you're going to spend a ton of money because you don't have any data. Once you start getting data, it becomes much cheaper, and your return on your investment is much higher. All right, so you're going to go over here to your Events Manager, and I'm going to click on Joel Vasquez Pixel. You want to come over here to the corner, you want to click Setup. All right, and here it's going to drop down and say Install Pixel. Now the best thing you want to do is manually add pixel code to a website, and it's going to give you this giant block of code. Copy code to the clipboard. So you would click it, you'd click copy, and you'd come back over here to ClickFunnels, and you'd go to settings, okay, and you do exactly what I just showed you to do. You'd plug it right into here to the tracking code and save and update settings, and everything is all plugged in now. That's it. Everything is plugged in, right? People, you're advertising to people, or you're promoting this, or you're on your blog or your YouTube channel or whatever, they start coming in through your opt-in page. Through your opt-in page, they go over to the thank you page, or they should, and then they go to the sales page. But the whole funnel continues on the back end when you're sending out your emails and stuff. And that's it. That's your funnel, man. That's the entire process of promoting Clickbank products. It's easy as hell. It's that most people do it wrong. Most people get all antsy and don't figure it out, and they don't do it right. Okay, so if you got value out of this video, if you liked what I was showing there, please hit like. Please hit the like button, man. Come on, smash that like button. All right. So. And also, I want you to leave a comment if anybody has ever taught you this before, if they taught you the wrong way, if this was some kind of aha moment type of video, if I just taught you the same thing you've always heard 1,000 times. Leave a comment below and let me know. But hit that subscribe button too. Subscribe to the channel, support the channel, and please come back and keep watching. And I'm going to keep giving you all these little tidbits and all these little inside scoops, all right? I'm Joel Vasquez, aka the infamous Joel, and I'm out.